Good day, everyone. Welcome to our class. How are you today? I hope you are all okay. Are you ready for our lesson? But before that, let's not forget the safety protocols advised to us by the IATF. First, wash your hands with soap and water frequently. Always wear your face mask. Maintain at least 1 meter social distancing. Now, let our class proper begin. I am Wayat C. Soriana, your teacher in Technology and Livelihood Education 10 in the concentration of Electrical Installation and Maintenance. Our topic for today is all about the parts of an electrical wiring plan. This lesson is found in the Module 2 of the third quarter, which entitles Interpret Electrical Wiring Plan, Part 2. At the end of the learning period, you should be able to define electrical wiring plan, identify the different parts of an electrical wiring plan, and value the importance of electrical symbols in electrical wiring plan. Electrical wiring plan is a simple visual representation of the physical connections and physical layout of an electrical system or circuit. It shows how the electrical wires are interconnected and can also show where fixtures and components may be connected to the system. The electrical plan is sometimes called electrical drawing or wiring diagram. It is a type of technical drawing that delivers visual representation and describes circuits and electrical systems. It consists of symbols and lines that showcase the engineer's electrical design to its clients. In short, an electrical plan describes the position of all the electrical apparatus. There are 5 parts of an electrical wiring plan. First is the floor plan. It may be a plan of room or floor of building drawn to scale if viewed from above. Floor plans are scale drawings that show the relationship between rooms, spaces, and physical features viewed from above. They provide a way to visualize how people will move through the space. Second part, the legend. It shows the meaning of every symbol employed in the electrical plan. A symbol of a wiring diagram represents a specific electrical component within the circuit. Before you can learn how to read a diagram, you must understand what each symbol represents. Recall that wiring diagrams include a legend. The legend explains what certain symbols in the diagram represent. Number 3, the load schedule. Is the details will be seen the schedule of load. The load schedule is a summary of the data that helps electrical installers to know the equipment ratings and their contribution to the overall power consumption of in an installation. The data in the load schedules is usually backed by the calculations which are based on standard electrical codes. Fourth, the riser diagram. It may be a single line diagram representation of the complete electrical device from entry up to the smallest circuit branch. Riser diagram or single line diagram is used to show the arrangement of equipment and wiring. This diagram shows the connecting lines used for feeders and cable distribution per each floor serviced. It will provide conduit sizes shown on the electrical riser diagram and backbone counts to each floor. The fifth is the title block. The name of plate indicate the subsequent details. The title block of a drawing usually located on the bottom or lower right-hand corner contains all the information necessary to identify the drawing and to verify its validity. The sixth specification includes the subsequent general notes and or specifications written on the plans or submitted on separate standard size sheets shall show nature of electrical service, including number of phases, number of wires, voltage and frequency, type of wiring, and service entrance. Location map. It shows the subsequent details. Location maps are specialized maps dedicated to finding a specific location, showing how to go from here to there in the clearest possible way, with information directly relevant to a specific journey, such as recognizable landmarks, points of interest, petrol stations, hotels, and any other hint before along the way. Now that you have learned the 7 parts of an electrical wiring plan, let's have some activities for you to know if you learned something from our lesson today. Are you ready? All right, let's begin. What is an electrical wiring plan? Your answer? It is a simple representation of the physical connections and physical layout of an electrical system or circuit. It shows how the electrical wires are interconnected and can also show where fixtures and components may be connected to the system. Another activity is identify the different parts of a wiring plan. Okay? You have the floor plan, the legend, schedule of load, riser diagram, title block, specification, and location map. Another activity, give the importance of electrical symbols in the electrical wiring plan. It is important to know electrical symbols in electrical wiring plan because it makes it easier to understand how to build or make a particular connections in circuit diagrams. We use it for the components of circuit diagrams because it's quicker and requires less artistic skill. For your quiz, label each part of the wiring plan. Are you done? For your assignment, draw and create an electrical wiring plan in your own dream house. Design it clearly and precisely using the different parts of an electrical wiring plan and submit it directly to our Google Classroom. Okay, that would be all for today. Now class, did you enjoy our lesson for today? I know that you have learned something from our lesson. I am hoping that you can share it to others. I want you to keep safe always. God bless you all. Until next time, see you and have a nice day. Goodbye.